Hi there, my name is Christy Bryant, and I'm going to show you a redesign I did for Adams County, Iowa website. This is their original site, and it's pretty information heavy, so I wanted to make it a little more user-friendly and easy to navigate. So here's my take on the Adams County website. So what I did is I redesigned a photo history page, building permits page, driver's license page, and elections page. And what I was thinking was color coding each of the subjects. So anything that would be announcements would be this orange color, anything that was events would be yellow, the elections page blue, driver's license dark blue, and same photo history light green, building permits dark green. So the announcements would pop up that orange color, and events would pop up this yellow, and then these links will take you to the new pages. This is a voter information page, and there's several links in here to register to vote, or your precinct maps, your absentee ballot, election information, Iowa voting requirements, and then here's Rebecca Bissell. She is the county auditor. And then on the footer of each page is their social media, more contact information, hours, employee contact, all these links to more information. So if you wanted to sign up for an absentee ballot, then you just would download it from this page, and precinct maps, find out where your precinct is. So that's the voter information page. And then we have, let's go photo history. This one, there's a place to submit photos. And then I did a sort of timeline that they could put pictures in order and what the picture is and what it's about. So it goes all the way down, through history. Another place to submit photos on the bottom. And then if you want to see a photo up close, you can read more, or you can simply click on the photo as well and bring up that same information. Then we have building permits, and this Adams County, Iowa only has 4 permit links, so I just linked right to the permits to download. And then also include information for the engineer and all of his staff, and maintenance staff and administrative staff. Just link straight to them. Same footer. And then the driver's license page. And they also have a pretty simple driver's license. What I added was a simplified version to schedule a test, and I added the study guides, so you could just download the manual to study for the test. Neither of those were on their site. And then just reminders of what you need to have handy to take your test. So those are the new pages. I also added this they had history right when you go onto their site, which I thought they might want to keep because that, some people want to know, but I only put a little bit about it, and then if you wanted to learn more, you could read all of their history. And then as far as departments, I just have little drop-down menus also that will take you to where you need to go. So that is my redesign. Thank you for watching.